Okay, seventh graders, how's it going? On Wednesday, we have an ECR. I don't know if you remember back when we were in school, we did a bunch of these. This is the ECR for March, and it's going back to our Find X days, if you remember those. That was last unit, but I'm going to refresh you. So on the ECR, there's one question, and it basically talks about and I've changed the numbers so to not give you the answer, but let's say a family goes to a concert and they spend a total of $30. So this is the total money that they spent. When we know what the total is, that's going to be the big number at the end of the equal sign. Okay, there was a $2 processing fee and they bought 4 tickets. So I don't know if you remember this type of equation, but when there's $2 processing fee, that means whatever money they spent on the tickets, there was another $2 added for a processing fee. Okay? What we don't know is how much each of the tickets cost. So that's the X factor. That's the X. So the equation that you would write is 4 tickets bought at some price that we don't know, that's the X, plus the $2 processing fee equals the total amount of money that they spent, $30. So your algebra equation that you're going to write is 4x plus 2 equals 30. Okay, I don't know if you remember this. And the other one that we used to do was the one with the parentheses. This is the one without the parentheses. All right, so this is the type of equation that they're looking for. Then to solve the equation, to solve for x, you want to get rid of everything on this side of the equation, so you're left with x equals. That's what we want to eventually know. We want to know how much each ticket costs. We want to be left with x equals. And we do that by getting rid of everything on this side of the equation by doing the opposite of what it tells us. And then we have to do that to the other side. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. That gets rid of this and leaves us with 4x on this side. And then 30 minus 2 leaves us with 28 on this side. So now we have 4 times some number equals 28. And the way we can figure that out is we would divide 4 by both sides. Now 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that leaves us with just x. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. And that would be our answer. And now if we plug it into the equation, we can see that x equals 7. 4 times 7, if we plug 7 into there, 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus the $2 processing fee is the total amount of money they spent, $30. So this is kind of what they're looking for. Good luck, and I will see you next time.